Hello, gorgeous. There is paint on every panel. Oh, she does not run like a Lexus. Those are fat, fat, fat tires. Hello, everybody. Monkey Wrench Mike. I am glad you are tuning in because today we are at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I think I used to own that car right there. I had one just like it. I really did. All kinds of vehicles out here. That looks just like it. Wow. I hope that's not it. I hope that looks just like it. Anyway, okay. Yeah, you're going to find all kinds of vehicles out here, and I am seeing so many Mustangs left and right. Everywhere I go, I'm finding some beautiful, beautiful Mustangs. I think this is the GT 5.0, which is great. But I want to show you a car first, and then we'll look at that Mustang, because that's gorgeous, which is proof you don't want to make your girlfriend mad because she might just grab a can of paint. Yeah, I don't know if this was intentional. Well, how could it not be intentional? Maybe this was just a design, or somebody got really mad and took a black can of paint to a beautiful 2010 Lexus GS 350. Well, we got a flat tire right there. I don't know if these are words or signs. Maybe this is, I don't know, VO something? I don't know. There is paint on every panel. Look at that. Somebody got really upset with someone else and took it out on their car. I'm surprised they didn't spray the wheels as well. What could be going on the inside? What's it? Okay, there's a smell. Even the seats. Okay, yeah, they took a knife to the seats. Wow, they were really upset. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You did something, you hurt somebody, and they came after you. Well, they came after your car with a knife. Look at that. So this is going to be a fun one. Is this worth repainting and getting a whole new interior? Well, front and back seats. But this is, as we say, a mess. This is a hot mess. I don't know if we have power. Maybe we do. Being a 2010, there's a lot of fading in the wood. There's a light right here. So we could have, oh, she does not run like a Lexus. She does not run like a Lexus. Left front door, 208,000 miles. We have AFS is off. Come on, even out. Get some oil up in there. I like the color of the gauges there, though. Now she's running a little better. Let's take a look at the engine really quick. For some reason, this is off. We've got this off. Open the trunk. Looks like the hood is unlatched. Okay, she's running better now. Maybe she just hasn't been started in so long. Here we go. Well, we need new struts. The battery's from 4 of 22, so it's a couple of years old. But look at that, it's a Lexus battery. So somebody did take care of her. You're going to the dealer for a battery because you like your car and you want it to stay nice, but then apparently you cheated on somebody and they did this to the hood and they did this to the top and they slashed your seats. It sounds great now. Oh, what I could do with this car. Seriously, get yourself a Mako paint job, go to the salvage yard, get your front and rear seat covers, and you'd be fine because they didn't hurt the doors at all. Let's see what's in the trunk. Is there a body back here? Oh, I thought there was for a second. When I saw this, I thought there was. Okay, here's all your cars. You get a stick. That's nice. You get a walker, a stand and assist. You get books. Sweet stripes. You get a chair, a windshield cover. You get a whole bunch of stuff. What is this? Oh, battery cable? Okay. Let's just take a look at this right here. You get a bag with a little book. It always seems impossible until it's done. Let's just see. Daddy's birthday was February 6th of 1928. Okay, this is just somebody's little book to keep. DREAM. Dream, release your potential, encourage, affect prevailing attitudes, motivate you like nuclear energy in your soul. There you go. That's my new motto. Nuclear energy in your soul. And you get some toilet paper. Okay. Wow. What would you do with this car? Would you buy it? I mean, you get a stick. But this, they tried to right here, it looks like. How cheap is this going to go for? 200,000 mile Lexus. With, this goes up and down. This goes up and down. Kind of slow. That works. What about this guy right here? All your windows work. I didn't see a sticker for the timing belt under there. Is this? Wow, look how dirty. Look at how dirty this is. So the radio works. What does she do? Does she go in gear? There is pressure on the brakes. Oh, wow. She doesn't like that at all. She really doesn't like that. Shift to, what is that? What did that say? Shift to P range. Okay. So you need, what is that? Engine mounts? The transmission is not happy. See, you got the red triangle right here. So she's got some, maybe there's no transmission fluid. Oh, this is iffy. This is iffy. Are you a risk taker like me? I am a huge risk taker. Heated and cooled seats? Okay. Well, I don't know. If it was like $300, I'd do it in a heartbeat, but I don't know how much this is going to go for. Let me know what you think. Okay, well, it was serviced at Lexus of Tulsa. Date and mileage to next service, 211,000. So you're at 208. So you've got 3,000 miles till your next service. I think I cut myself. I don't know. This is dirty. She's been sitting for so long. All right, let me know what you think about this. That's nice. It's just the transmission that's really, really scary. All right, let's move on. Here's that good-looking GT Mustang I was telling you about. I haven't even walked around it yet. I love the wheels. I think I do. You're missing a fender, but I think this part is straight. Okay. You need headlights, your bumper, a fender, a grill. But other than that, this is a nice looking car. Those are fat, fat, fat tires. I mean, they're fat and fat. F-A-T and P-H-A-T, like the kids, or they used to say. Do they still say that? Look at those things. Okay, we'll set my Coke right there. How about right here so you stay out of the wind? Let's take a look at the inside and see what's... Red cat skin leather interior. This is beautiful. And being a GT, there you go. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree, Bob. So, I think she has power. Oh my goodness gracious. So we are in neutral. Let's just see what happens. Oh, I gotta have my foot on the clutch, I guess. I'm gonna have to scoot the seat up. Oh. She sounds nice. Driver's door is ajar. Any warning lights on. When I close this, oil change required. I don't have my seatbelt on. That's okay. That's it. What are we listening to? We got an aftermarket stereo system. Okay. There we go. But she sounds amazing. Okay, let's go listen to her. Yep. She sounds nice and healthy, doesn't she? Whoa, what's in the trunk? Well, you get some parts, so you get a headlight and some horns. Nice looking light. This is empty. So that's a good thing. That'll save you a little money. You just need a whole front clip. Well, not a whole front clip, but a majority of pieces. I'd do this in a heartbeat. I really do. Like it a lot. Let's look at the engine. There you go. 5-liter, 32 valve. It's a little shaky. Not a whole bunch though. Okay. Your battery, it's a little battery from 9 of 23. So that's all right. We'll put the cover back on right there. Nice little GT strut bar. Mikey likes this. I don't know what that went to. Can you see the wind making this thing go up and down? Ah! Okay. I like it. I really do. Let's close this. There we go. Because there's nothing there to latch onto. I love these. I mean, they're not real, but are they? Well, maybe so. Okay. The windshield is good, and the red leather is fantastic. This is nice. We started with the Lexus. We're going to end with the Lexus. This one is beautiful. This is the LS500 with the new grill right there. This is really gorgeous. What year is this right here? This is 2019. Yes, this white, pearl white, is incredible. I think I just dropped my Coke. There it goes. Dagnabbit. Okay. Well, I got to take that out with me. Okay. Thank you for your service. This is your damage. You need a bumper. Maybe a couple of plastic clips right there. I think the trunk may have escaped most of the damage. It's kind of pushed in a little bit right there, it looks like. Nothing major. The bumper's going to cover most of this. Yeah, I think your trunk is okay. I love, love, love this. Oh, and they were kind enough to put, look at the seat. So there is the bumper. Yep, we'll have to get replaced. That right there. Look at the brown. Wow. Okay. Yes, sir. This is incredible. I had a Mercedes with this almost maroonish brown interior. And to be honest, it got kind of old. It was just, it's nice for a while, and then it was just like this off color. And it just kind of, I don't know. I ended up selling it. It was the 560 SEL. I should have kept it. I miss it. But it had, oh. Yeah, exact same color interior. And it was just a lot of brown. This is, oh, so nice. Okay, we got to do this. Yep. She starts off just fine. Look at this coming to life right here. Ooh. You have a clock. Okay. Okay, nice radio system. SRS airbag system malfunction. Check. Air suspension system. Maybe there's a little more damage than I thought. 61,000 miles. Parking support brake malfunction. So a lot of this seems to be underneath the car. RCTA not available. BSM not available. I wish I knew what all that stood for. Look how this armrest kind of comes out and there's nothing holding it. That's kind of cool. And the light right there. That's nice. And then we're back to check air suspension system. 63 degrees outside. Pit bull right through here. This is nice. See, I can go through the system right here. How cool is this? Sources, presets, radio, station, options, sound. Let's go to menu. What's projection? A compatible device is not connected or Apple CarPlay. Okay. Can you even see that with the sun? I'm sorry. This is deadly quiet in here. We do have, oops, sorry about that. We have the orange triangle, parking assist. Here we go. There we go. That's drive. So you have to go this way. There you go. There's your rear view camera. And then P, there you go. Push that to go into park. That's nice. Look at all these buttons on the steering wheel. Oh, Mikey likes this. This is very, very nice. Of course, every window's going to work. Nothing was touched. Look at the inlay. I mean, it's probably plastic. It's pretty, though. All the windows are going to work. The seats are going to work. Let's look under the hood. Check out that 5.0. I guess that's what 500 is. Like I said in my old intro, I need a Lexus in my life. Absolutely. This is beautiful. And there it is. A big old hunk of plastic. Twin turbo. 0 W20 required oil. There's really, you can't look at anything. I mean, you can check your oil. This is rock solid. I guess this is where you input your oil. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. We're missing one clip. So something has been done. I love it. And look at the wheels. Beautiful. Holy moly. Yep, I need this. I absolutely do. Ugh. Yeah, 63,000 miles for 2019 Lexus LS500 with brown interior. Should I do that again or no? I mean, it is gorgeous, and the seats are incredibly comfortable. And look at the stitching on the door. Nice. Well, what do you think? You got your bumper in the back. I think you'll need a new one. Other than that, though, I don't know why RCTA, I don't even know what that is, but that's what's flashing in the dash right now. So if you know what RCTA is, or if you have one of these, let me know what you think about them. BSM not available. That's something else new. Body signal module, I don't know. I don't know what this stuff is. But there seems to be a lot of flashing on the instrument cluster. And there's even stitching around, which is cool, which is very, very cool. All right, which of these cars do you like the most? Oh, goodness gracious. That cheap Lexus would be a lot of fun. You could get that for next to nothing because nobody's going to want it. It needs paint and a whole interior and the mileage, and you don't even know if the timing belt has been done on that. This one is probably going to go for a lot. It was serviced, once again, at Lexus of Tulsa. 67,000 miles is when the next service is due. Maybe these two cars met each other at Lexus of Tulsa, the new and the old. I don't know, but I do know you need to subscribe, okay? 48% of my viewers have not subscribed to the channel, so please, please, please do so. All right, we're back with another video very, very soon. Go out and have a great day, everybody. I mean, it's 63 degrees here in Oklahoma, and I'm having so much fun, thanks to everybody at Copart. Just go out and have a good time. Enjoy the outdoors. Get away from the phone. Watch my video first, then get away from your phone and enjoy this beautiful spring weather, okay? We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.